Pocket knife. Never leave home without it, especially if you're on a boat. Never know when you're going to need to have to cut something. Comes with its own handy dandy little case, little belt clip, and a belt loop you can put on. Actually, when I wear a belt, when I was working on a ferry, I would use it. My belt worked handy. It was great. And I like this knife particularly because it has a Marlinspike. Marlinspike seamanship it's an art form where they actually make really cool things out of rope. You call it line on the boat though, but rope. How to tie knots, you tie splices. You can use it to get knots out of rope, things like that. So I like it because of that. So this part also can be used for things like loosening or tightening shackles. It's handy for that too. And then it has the regular knife part, which is serrated, so it'll cut something pretty fast if you need to get out of, like cut a rope or something. And I like it. It's got this little clippy thing, you can tie a lanyard around it. It's got this you could put on your belt loop or whatever.
Just put it in. Very good.
Good product, happy with it.
Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.